and welcome to F&SYamaha and Marine in Hanover, Pennsylvania, South Central PA's premier XL dealer. I'm Andy. I'm the guy here that sells most of the fishing boats. If you contact us, more than likely you'll be speaking with me. If you're not familiar with us, check us out on our website at F&SYamaha.com. A very popular YouTube channel, F&SYamaha. Google listing and Facebook listings. We have a great reputation that we're very proud of. We have people from all over the nation that buy boats from us, and we appreciate it. We just recently became an XL boat dealer, and we're very proud of the fact. I've been looking for a very high quality, completely welded together outboard jet boat, tunnel hull for quite some time, and we found it. They've just started building it. Enjoy. It's a 2027 184 Switchblade, 18-foot tunnel hull. Like I said, all welded together, jet boat, 62-inch bottom, the forward-mounted console. Color is the high-def Optifade Marsh camo. All aluminum trailer, and this trailer is made just for this boat with aluminum wheels, of course, side guides, matching spare, LED lights, of course. Nav lights up front, little shark headlights. Upgrade, spotlight up front, and this swivels. Pretty cool. Of course, color matched. That's one bright spotlight. Does include a windshield. The plexiglass for our windshields didn't come yet, but I wanted to get videos as soon as possible. But you get the idea of where the plexiglass goes on the windshield there. Yamaha 115/80 jet. It's about a 30-mile-an-hour boat with the 115/80, but it is a true tunnel hull. And I ran one of these just the other day, and stays nice and flat when it hole shots. About 30 mile an hour, and like I said, a true tunnel hull. The brackets back here for the transducer for whatever fish finder or fish finders we're going to put on. Sponsons there help a little bit in the back of the boat as well. If you've ever seen one of these XLs in person, they are really put together. Even little things like this grab handle, man, that is one solid welded on piece. The floors are all welded in, not riveted in. 0.125 bottom thickness. I wanted to get a jet boat that was better quality than most of what everything else is out there today, but not be the price of a custom made boat. Kind of an in-between, and I think we hit the mark really well with this boat. Jumping in, aqua traction flooring throughout. As you can see, it's down the cockpit, on the front and rear decks. It's everywhere. If you're not familiar with this type of flooring, it basically has all the advantages of carpet with none of the disadvantages. It's easy to clean, dries quickly, it's very durable. 3 across seat bases on the front deck and also the rear deck. Five-person capacity. Pre-wired for a trolling motor. I also upgraded to the 6-gauge trolling motor wiring. You can see the pad there for the trolling motor. And then the batteries for the trolling motor are in the front compartment, with the jet trying to keep as much of the weight forward as possible here. And that way you got 6-gauge wire. No matter what trolling motor we're going to put in, you're good to go. Front storage. And with the front storage, we can either put a 9-gallon fuel tank up here or a 12-gallon in the rear, or if you want to run multiples, we can do that, whichever you prefer. This is also upgraded to lights kit, so there are lights in every compartment. Green lights everywhere, or the green light kit. Underneath each gunnel, there are strip lights. Little things like, see the light there on the floor, and in the rear as well, down at the floor. Bluetooth stereo with 2 8-inch speakers, another upgrade. storage here as well for whatever we're going to put in there. Storage on both sides of the gunnels. And on the other side as well. You have T-track system on both gunnels for rod holders or whatever you're going to put on there, both sides. Back here, big wide open area for storage or fuel tank or both or whatever we're going to do there. That little tube, if you're wondering, is to hold your drain plug. I mentioned our service. We're very service oriented, privately owned here in Hanover, PA. My grandfather started things as a sporting goods store in the late 40s. My dad's a current owner. I've been here over 30 years myself. But every single boat that we get in, we go through very thoroughly. Not just Excel, but every brand of boat in the industry. There's things to check and improve upon and fix. That's just the boating industry. And the good dealers will go through things very thoroughly before you get your boat. And we also water test every boat as well, because there's certain things that can only be tested in the water. And whether you're picking up here at the shop or we're meeting somewhere, we have customers from all over the nation that buy boats from us, and they come here to the shop, or also meet. I meet a lot of people halfway, regardless of where you are. We do a lot of that. And then if we do that, we try to go to the water to meet as well. A lot of custom riggings, fish finders, trolling motor, shallow water anchors, lithium batteries. If you check our YouTube channels out of completed customer boats, we do quite a bit of videos because customers are coming from all over, like I mentioned. And with involved rigging, we try to do a very thorough walkthrough before they get their boat, just to make sure that everything's correct. And it's cool for everyone else to see the completed product as well. So, also we sell express bass boats, bay boats, they're duck boats, Bennington pontoons, a lot of used boats, of course Excel. I appreciate you watching. If you have questions on this boat or any other boat, feel free to contact me. You'll see our contact information at the bottom of the screen. Again, I'm Andy. Check us out on our website at F&SYamaha.com. And if you don't mind, like this video, subscribe to our channel. It helps other people find us. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.